Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to disconnect Trust Wallet from dApps. It's crucial to manage your connections to keep your digital assets secure. We'll walk through the simple steps to disconnect your wallet from various decentralized applications. This process helps protect your funds from potential risks. We will also clarify the important distinction between merely disconnecting and fully revoking token allowances, which is vital for comprehensive security. For mobile users, disconnecting is straightforward. First, open your Trust Wallet application. Then tap on the settings icon, usually found at the bottom right. From there, select Wallet Connect. You will see a list of all currently active dApp connections. Simply tap on the specific session you want to end and then confirm the disconnection. Another option is to go to Preferences, then Browser, and clear Browser cache to disconnect from all dApps at once. When using Trust Wallet with desktop dApps, you typically connect via Wallet Connect. To disconnect, open your Trust Wallet on your mobile device. Navigate to the Settings and then Wallet Connect section. Here, you'll find a list of all active Wallet Connect sessions, including those with desktop applications. Simply tap on the session corresponding to the dApp you wish to disconnect, and then confirm your choice to end the connection. It's crucial to understand that disconnecting your wallet from a dApp does not automatically revoke any token approvals you've granted. These approvals remain active on the blockchain. For enhanced security, you should regularly review and revoke any unnecessary smart contract permissions. Tools like revoke.cash can help you manage these allowances effectively. Always ensure your Trust Wallet app is updated to the latest version and only connect to dApps from trusted, verified sources to protect your assets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.